everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to make fun and engaging boomerang videos on your iPhone? I'll show you how to do it quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Search for Boomerang from Instagram and download the app. Once the app is downloaded, open it. You will see the camera interface ready for action. Do allow the use of microphone and camera. Then get started. Record a short video. If you are happy with it, tap and save button to save it to your camera roll. You can also share your boomerang directly to Instagram or other social media platform by tapping the share button and selecting your preferred platform. Do edit your boomerang video to your preference by selecting the video direction, selecting the speed, as well as selecting the number of repetition. And there you have it, guys. You successfully created a boomerang on your iPhone. Have fun creating more creative loops. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment and subscribe for more quick tips. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.